first round of ports. Got some fan splitters. I'm gonna open up this box and see what's in here. Looks like a processor. M.2. I think this is another hard drive. It's a Cyrorig CPU Cooler. Let's see what's in it. It's hard to work this with one hand. Why are you laughing? This is gonna be on a YouTube video someday. And this cooler, which is pretty big. Hey, I'm gonna open up this box. And then here's what you do. Flip it upside down. You go like this. And then it comes out. Ooh. Shocking, I know. It's in this little tissue bag. Okay, whoa, there she is. That's pretty small. This slides to reveal. You can put a slim disk drive in there if you want, but I don't want. This feels like Christmas. G-Skill Rip Jaws. RAM. 16 gigs of RAM. Thermaltake Smart Series. Power supply. Rainbow fan.
Rainbow fan.
Fatality. Mini ITX motherboard. The most giant box for a graphics card. And then we have two different fans. I'm gonna open some of these boxes. And a graphics card. Boom. SATA 3 cable. I/O plate. Wi-Fi antennas. A couple manuals. The actual motherboard. It smells funny. But you can't smell that. It smells brand new. Got a button for the RGB that I won't be able to press because this thing lives completely inside the power, or inside the case. Let's see, we got RAM. Feel the rush of DDR4 performance. Pieces of RAM, just one piece. This is the slim fan. Got fan cable. Got the fan itself. 15 millimeters thick. There she is. Big fan by Fantex. That's all my parts.